Dear Year 10, this is the second lesson on probability. So, last lesson I showed you when we had one fair coin, we were tossing it, and the probability was getting head half or getting tail half. Now, I went a bit further and I decided to go for flipping two coins. Now, when you have two coins, it's a bit more difficult than just saying is half and half, and this is the time when we draw sample space diagram. Now, sample space diagram is really similar than when we were learning of two-way tables, okay? So how it looks like. So this is how it looks like. So one side I put it my first coin, okay? So this is my first coin option when I have head or tail, okay? And this is my second coin option when again I can head or tail. And because I'm tossing them together, this means now the outcome could be both is head, or could be one is tail from the first and one is head from the second one. Or could be my first coin is landing on head and the second is landing on tail, or both of my coins landing on tail. So if you check it, how many different outcomes I had here? 4 possible outcomes, isn't it? Now the question is asking what is the probability of getting 2 heads? Pause the video, write down a number, and I will show you in a minute. Okay, so hope you get it, the right answer. So how many is the all possible outcome? 4. And what I'm looking for? 2 heads. So these are the 2 heads. So the possible outcome is 1 out of 4. Let's go a bit further. Now let's have a look at dice. Okay, so dice we know has 6 sides. So it could come up that is landing on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now think about it. What would be the possible outcome for having one? I hope you remember for our rule. So our rule is on the bottom of the fraction, the denominator has to be all possible outcomes, and on the top, what we are looking for. Now, our possible outcomes are 6 different, and I'm looking for 1, which could happen only once, so it's 1 out of 6. I'm throwing my dice again, I'm rolling it, and now it came up 2. What is the possibility that I get 2? Again, I have only once a 2 on my dice, and out of 6, so 1 out of 6. What do you think what is going to happen with 3, 4, 5, and 6? Yes, you're right. All of them 1 over 6. So, since each number on the dice is equally likely to the probability of getting any one of the numbers is 1 divided by 6, which is 1 over 6. Here are 4 questions for you. Have a go, pause the video, and I'm going back to the answer for you in a minute. All right, so let's have a look. A coin landing on tails. We already talked about we have 2 possible outcomes, and I'm looking for 1, so it's 1 out of 2. A spinner stopping on a red section. We have 4 different colors, so it's 4 possible outcomes, and I have only 1 red, so it's 1 out of 4. Drawing a 7 of hearts from a pack of 52 cards. I have only 1 of these, so it's 1 out of 52. A baby being born on a Friday. Now, how many days we have in a week? 7, so it's 1 out of 7.